Alright guys, so assuming you have your Commander installed, and if you don't have the Commander installed, check out the link I have in the description below and how to get it installed in your car. We're going to install it in the passenger footwell. It's a super easy install, so seriously, go ahead and check that out. Let's go and connect or reconnect your S3XY Buttons and or knob. So first, you want to make sure the Enhauto app is up to date. You can check this in your app store, whether it be the Google Play Store or whatever Apple has.
So in the Enhauto app right here, if you've had your buttons previously paired to a different commander, you need to break that relationship. And the way you can do that is by going to your buttons. You're gonna have to do this for all your buttons. You're gonna press and hold down. Once you do that, it's going to blink rapidly. You're gonna press and hold down until it stops blinking rapidly. That's going to be about 16 seconds. So basically press and hold for 16 seconds every button. That's going to factory reset them. Once they're factory resetted, is resetted a word? It's not a word. Now it's a word. You're gonna go to the buttons tab, press that and click add S3XY button. And then after you've already done the 16-second thing, you're just gonna press and hold it again. It should only take about 3 seconds for it to appear in the app. And now you have your S3XY buttons loaded. For the knob, I'm not gonna mount it in my center console quite yet, but I can temporarily give it power through this USB-C port right here. The knob will buzz, turn on into this welcome screen. Now, mine already has all the features loaded and everything, but yours might say not connected, and that's totally fine because you don't have it connected yet. For that, you're just gonna go back into the app. You're going to go into the knob section at the very bottom. You're gonna tap that and you should be able to click connect a new knob. And it's connecting. You'll find that knob, and then once you do that, you'll have the knob connected and all the settings you could play around with inside of here. And that's pretty much it, guys. You now have your knob and your S3XY buttons and your commander all together.
Now for troubleshooting, there are a few things we can do if you're having issues. First, unplug and plug back in the commander. Try to reconnect it and see if it then reconnects with the app when you go into the commander settings and try to connect it. If you're able to do that, because that usually works, you should never have an issue at least pairing the commander to the phone app, then make sure all the firmware is downloaded and up to date. If you do have any issues still connecting the commander, or if you have any issues updating, go ahead and uninstall and then re-download the app. Another thing you can do is go to the commander tab, go to settings, reboot commander, and if this doesn't work, try a factory reset or try to remove the commander. You can do all of that in the commander tab, then settings, and then reboot commander. If none of the previous work for any of your problems, go into the settings on the main dashboard screen, go ahead and remove your car. You're gonna have to relink it, but one of the previous, or at least this, should resolve your issue. So that's pretty much it, guys. If the issue persists, leave a comment below. If you found a way to solve it that I didn't list, or if any of these helped you, I wanna know your issue and I wanna know how you solved it. So leave a comment on what was broken and then what solution worked for you. Make sure to check out the Enhauto buttons or knob or both in the description below. I'll have a discount code just for you so you can upgrade your Tesla and save some money while doing it.